planning a weekend outdoor adventure.
Ready for the weekend adventure?
Yes, I am excited.
Have you picked a destination?
Not yet. Any ideas?
How about the mountain trails?
That sounds fun and peaceful.
The views are beautiful there.
I would love that.
We can hike and picnic.
A picnic sounds very nice.
Let us check the weather.
I hope it stays sunny.
Saturday looks warm and clear.
That is great news.
Sunday may have light rain.
Then Saturday is better.
I agree with that.
How will we travel there?
We can drive together.
That makes things easier.
It takes about 1 hour.
That is not too far.
Do you have hiking shoes?
Yes, I bought some recently.
Good. Bring a water bottle.
I will pack 2 bottles.
Also bring a light jacket.
Even if it's warm?
Mountain weather can change quickly.
Oh, that is useful.
Don't forget sunscreen.
I always forget sunscreen.
Then write a reminder.
Good idea. I will.
Let's bring some snacks too.
Chips and fruit?
Perfect for a hiking break.
This trip sounds wonderful.
Saturday morning, 8 o'clock?
Yes, I will be ready.
Let's hope for sunshine.
And no forgotten sunscreen.
Learning to use a fitness center.
Welcome to the fitness center.
Thanks. It is my first time.
No problem. I can help.
Everything looks very new.
Are you interested in membership?
Yes, I want to join.
We have monthly memberships.
That sounds good for me.
Let me show the facilities.
Great, I would like that.
This area has treadmills,
They are for walking?
walking, and running.
I enjoy walking a lot.
These bikes stay in place.
Oh, indoor bicycles.
Exactly. Many people use them.
Cool. What about those machines?
They help build strength.
I have never used them.
Start with light weights.
That sounds less scary.
Everyone starts somewhere.
That makes me feel better.
Do you have fitness goals?
Yes, simple goals.
Tell me about them.
I want more energy.
That is a good goal.
I also want stronger legs.
Walking and cycling can help.
I can do that.
How many days weekly?
Maybe 3 days each week.
That is a great start.
I was worried before.
You do not need perfection.
Just steady progress, right?
Exactly. Small steps matter.
I'm ready to begin.
Then let's get started.
Joining a community volunteer project. Welcome to the volunteer project.
Thank you. I am new here.
Glad you could join us.
I am happy to help.
My name is Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
What is your name?
I am Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too.
Have you volunteered before?
Yes, but only once.
Then you already have experience.
A little experience, maybe.
That still counts.
That is good to hear.
Today we are cleaning parks.
What tasks are available?
We collect trash and leaves.
I can help with that.
Great. We also plant flowers.
I enjoy gardening sometimes.
Then you may like that.
Yes, it sounds relaxing.
Here are some work gloves.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
How many volunteers are here?
About 20 people today.
That's a nice group.
Everyone works together here.
I like team projects.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
I agree with that.
Let's start near those trees.
Okay, what should I do?
collect leaves in these bags.
I can do that.
We will work together.
Great. I'm ready.
Let's make this park shine.
That sounds like a good plan.
Buying a train ticket at a station.
Hello, how can I help?
I need a train ticket.
Where are you going?
I am going to Milwaukee.
One way or return?
One way, please.
The next train is 2 p.m.
That is very soon.
Yes, it leaves in 1 hour.
What is the price?
It is $25.
That is okay for me.
I will print your ticket.
Thank you very much.
Your platform is number 3.
Platform 3. Okay.
You will see signs upstairs.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, just follow the boards.
I sometimes get confused.
It is simple here.
That makes me feel better.
Boarding starts at 1:40 p.m.
So I should arrive early.
Yes, at least 20 minutes early.
I will go there early.
Do you have luggage?
Just one small bag.
You can keep it with you.
That is convenient.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you for your help.
Safe journey to Milwaukee.
Thank you. I am ready now.
Enjoy your trip.
I will try my best.
Attending a local festival. Welcome to the festival.
Wow, it is very busy.
Yes, many people come here.
What events are today?
We have live music shows.
I love live music.
There's also a dance stage.
That sounds really fun.
Food stalls are over there.
What food do you recommend?
Try the grilled tacos.
That sounds delicious. I will try.
We also have fresh lemonade.
Perfect for a hot day.
The main performance starts at 6.
Who is performing tonight?
A local rock band.
I really want to see that.
You can sit near the stage.
Is it crowded there?
Yes, but people are friendly.
I like friendly crowds.
Are you here with friends?
No, I came alone.
You can meet people here.
Do people talk easily here?
Yes, everyone is relaxed.
That makes me comfortable.
I'm Mark, by the way.
Nice to meet you. I'm Olivia.
Nice to meet you, Olivia.
It is nice meeting you too.
Let's get some food.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Then we can watch music.
That sounds like a great plan.
Ha! Welcome to Austin Festival Life.
I already love it.
Visiting a new restaurant.
Welcome to Riverstone Cafe.
Thank you. It is my first visit.
Please take a seat.
This place feels nice.
Here is your menu.
What is your best dish?
The grilled chicken pasta.
That sounds good. What else?
Our mushroom soup is popular.
I like soup very much.
We also have fresh salads.
Is it spicy?
No, it is very mild.
That is good for me.
What would you like to order?
I will try pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Do you like Italian food?
Yes, it is my favorite.
What dish do you enjoy most?
I really like spaghetti.
That is a classic choice.
I always order it.
Our chef makes fresh sauce.
I am looking forward to it.
Here is your pasta.
It looks delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
I will enjoy it.
Come again anytime.
I definitely will. Preparing for a job training session. Welcome to the training center.
Thank you. I am a bit nervous.
That is completely normal.
I feel a little better.
I am Jason, your trainer.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
What is your name?
I am Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Have you done this job before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. We will guide you.
That helps a lot.
Today we learn basic tasks.
What kind of tasks?
Customer service and simple tools.
I'm not very confident yet.
You will improve step by step.
I hope so.
Ask questions anytime.
Can I ask during work?
Yes, always ask if unsure.
That makes me comfortable.
We value teamwork here.
I like working with others.
Let's start with safety rules.
Are there many rules?
Just a few important ones.
That sounds manageable.
Always check instructions carefully.
Sometimes I get confused.
Then ask for clarification.
I will remember that.
We will practice together.
I'm ready to learn.
Great start today.
I will do my best.
Taking a class at a community center.
Welcome to the community center.
Thank you. I am here to register.
What course do you want?
I want a computer class.
Good choice. Beginner level?
Yes, I am a beginner.
I will complete your registration.
Is there a fee?
It is $20 monthly.
That is okay for me.
Classes start next Monday.
That is very soon.
You will meet your classmates.
I hope they are friendly.
Everyone is very supportive here.
That makes me feel better.
I am Daniel, your instructor.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
What is your name?
I am Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your learning goal?
I want basic computer skills.
That is a great goal.
Will we use laptops?
Yes, every class.
That is exactly what I need.
We start with simple typing.
I'm slow at typing.
That is fine. You will improve.
I hope so.
You can ask questions anytime.
Even during class?
Yes, always feel free.
That makes me comfortable.
Let us meet Monday morning.
I will be there.
Welcome to the class.
I'm ready to learn. Going to a farmer's market.
Welcome to the farmer's market.
Wow, it looks very fresh.
Yes, everything is locally grown.
What fruits are in season?
We have apples and strawberries.
I love strawberries a lot.
These are very sweet today.
How much are they?
$5 per basket.
Is there a cheaper option?
Smaller basket is $3.
That works for me.
Would you like to try one?
Yes, just one, please.
How is the taste?
Very sweet and fresh.
We also have organic vegetables.
Are they pesticide-free?
Yes, completely organic.
That is important for me.
These tomatoes are very popular.
What is the price?
$4 per kilo.
I will take half kilo.
Good choice.
I like shopping here.
Local farmers are very friendly.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
That is very convenient.
Anything else you need?
Maybe some apples too.
These are crisp and sweet.
I will take a few.
Here is your total.
Thank you. I will pay now.
Enjoy your fresh food.
I will. It all looks amazing. Moving into a new neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. I just moved here.
I live next door.
That is nice to hear.
My name is Kevin.
Nice to meet you, Kevin.
What is your name?
I am Laura.
Welcome, Laura.
Thank you very much.
Do you like the area?
Yes, it feels quiet.
It is a safe neighborhood.
That is good for me.
Grocery stores are nearby,
Where is the closest one?
just 5 minutes away.
That is very convenient.
We also have a clinic nearby.
Is there a pharmacy too?
Yes, next to the clinic.
That helps a lot.
Public transport is easy here.
I do not have a car.
Buses come every 15 minutes.
That is very helpful.
There is a community park too.
Is it walking distance?
Yes, just 10 minutes away.
I will visit it soon.
We also have a small cafe nearby.
I love coffee shops.
You will like this one.
I hope so.
Let me know if you need help.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Neighbors help each other here.
That makes me feel safe.
Welcome to your new home.
I already like it here.